In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between selling on Amazon and selling on e-commerce in places like Shopify, and what is my advice for people that are just getting started with their brands. So the other route, it's I would only go down the other route, man, if you really want to keep on building this particular brand, and that route is the Shopify route. Okay. Building your own e-commerce and running some ads to it and trying to get people to purchase your bag. But I can tell you one thing, that process is not overnight. The e-commerce route is by no means an overnight route. It requires money, it requires energy, it requires work, it requires hours of dedication. And you usually are going to be in the red for a while because it's a process, especially when you have a $17 product that, the margins are going to be slim. For example, if you have if the product is going to cost you $6 each one, and you sell it for $17, and you don't have other products to upsell and to cross-sell and to offer to people along the way, it's just one product. In the best case scenario, if you're a really good marketer and you apply yourself and you do a great job, especially with this whole Apple, iOS against the world battle that's going on right now, you're going to have to pay about $10 a purchase. So just do the math right here. $6 a product, $10 a purchase. You got no money left, man. So on the social media world, advertising on Shopify, it's not something that I would tell you, hey, you're gonna get rich if you go down that route, because it doesn't happen like that. Here's something very important that I recommend to everybody. And I would tell you, this is something that if you really mean it, if you want to build this brand and you want to go deep on it and you want to go for the pain and bootstrap and keep on pushing through until you make it, just know that if you have a job, don't quit it, because this is a process, man, that takes time. The other thing that I want you to know is that you're not going to go heavy on advertising on social media until you have at least 3 products. Do not spend a penny on social media marketing until you got other products to upsell and cross-sell to people along the way. Because the most valuable thing that you can do is acquire a customer, not for profit. You can acquire a customer for the ability to present other offers along the way once you acquire them. Because the cost per acquisition, aka the CPA, you should be willing to lose money or break even. The money is made exclusively after you bring them into your world. And if you don't have any other products to sell, my man, game over. That's it. It's done. You're not going to make money on that business. So if you look at a brand like my business called Natural Slim, we're going to do $75 million this year. We have 27 different products, and we have a system, and we have a program. When somebody buys one product, I end up making 26 other offers along the way. Some of them right away, some of them in a few days, and I have other things, especially if I'm confident that my products are good and are going to produce good results. I know that I'm going to keep on offering to people other things they're going to accept because I have a high quality product. So if you have that one product only, yes, you can make it in Amazon if you get lucky. Many, many, many people got lucky in the Amazon world, and they just launched one product, and they have been selling millions of dollars of that one product over the years. But it seems like that's not going to be your route, Kevin. It seems like you're not going to be able to do that with this particular product. So you got a couple of options, and you gotta go with, you gotta make a choice. You gotta make a decision. Add more products to this collection. You create content to communicate other aspects that Facebook is not gonna ban you for, but you do need to add other products to that brand. Because if you just focus on that one product, you're not gonna make money, man. You're not gonna make money. It's not gonna happen. The e-commerce route, the Shopify route, the social media route requires more than one product. I always say, look, minimum 3. Until you don't have 3, stay on Amazon, keep on trying to generate free traffic, keep on doing some PPC, get some reviews, and do not jump into the e-commerce world until you have more of a brand established. The e-commerce route requires an established brand. If you want to go down the Amazon route, Well, it looks like, man, you got to follow your mentor's advice and create a new product. You don't have to switch the brand. Maybe just create a new product. You already have a brand. You have a brand name. Create a new product. It's not going to get you in trouble. Or relist that product with a whole new concept of like, hey, this is to stop this is a dog training tool, and make your copy all around that particular tool right there. So nobody can actually get it confused with that. And if somebody comments, there's still a risk that you got to be willing to go through if you want to keep on pushing on this particular route right here. But keep those things in mind, because the most important thing is that you continue building a brand that is not going to be a liability. Like if you keep on building this brand for years and then Amazon changes the rules again and Facebook changes the rules or whatever, and they don't want you on the platform anymore, then you're in trouble, man. So you got to just evaluate those things before you make a decision on what direction you want to go towards. If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. We're going heavy with content in this 2021 year and beyond. Go ahead and subscribe right now.